So, kitchen stuff today. It's a set of whisks. These are different whisks. They're from a company called VansieHome. And as you can see, I haven't even opened these yet to actually really check them out or not. Technology changes, you know, and we use technology for lots of things, including to make a better whisk. Now, these whisks are specifically for lighter things. These are great for whipping cream, soups, puddings, pancake batter, cakes, some cakes. But the idea here is there is a ball inside of here, a cage ball, and then another ball inside there as well. The idea is it gives you the optimal whipping for these. Now these are 8-inch and 10-inch Super Cage Whisk combo. On Amazon they're $23 prime shipping, but on the VansieHome site they're $29.95. So it'd be a good idea, you know, I guess get them on Amazon. Either way. But they are all stainless steel, all the way through and all that stuff. They do come with a 90-day warranty, whatever. No questions asked, refund policy. Again, 8-inch and 2-inch. These are great for eggs, of course. Obviously here. Not intended for thick batters, as the idea, these aerate whatever you're doing better. These should be great for whipped cream or something like that. And as you can see, there are two sizes, and they are thin wires. These are dishwasher safe, but to clean, you can take the cage out. And if you have to, I guess you could take the ball out too, maybe. I don't know. But, you know, to make them easy to clean, you just pop the cage out there. Or you can just do that too, and it's an easy, a regular whisk without the cage in it. They're from VansieHome. I can't wait to actually use these. I do have some older whisks. I noticed they're getting some rust on them, and you know they gotta go, I guess. So this is perfect timing to get something like this for review, for me anyway. That's about it. $23 for an 8-inch and a 10-inch whisk. You might think that's expensive, but good quality kitchen products do cost money. I mean, they do, especially. I mean, look at knives and stuff like that. I mean, I think my set of stainless steel measuring spoons cost me about 20 bucks. But anyway, VansieHome whisks, Super Cage Whisk combo, superior egg beaters with 3-in-1 design, blending, beating, and whisking at its best with the 8-inch, 10-inch Super Whisk combo by VansieHome. That was the Amazon listing. Below you'll see both links, actually. I'll put the Amazon there for you, and the VansieHome website listing too for you. But let me try these out and I'll let you know how they are. Thanks.